Hello everyone, today we will learn about an amazing feature recently rolled out by Google Sheets in October and November of 2020. It is called Autofill. It is an amazing thing that can help you automate many tasks by not only automatically filling up the data in similar format but also telling you the formula used in it so that you can know how the action was performed. So watch this video till the end to take maximum benefit from this tutorial. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and click the red subscribe button below and also the bell icon so that you can get notification for all new videos. So guys, I hope you have already watched my Google Sheets versus Excel video where I explained a few things that are more efficient or available in Google Sheets. If you have not watched that video, I will provide a link in the eye above and in the description box below. So let's get started. So let me get started with what is autofill feature and if it existed before. Similar autofill feature has been available in Excel 2016 onwards. However, Google has taken it one step further. It is not only performing autofill but also telling the users formula used for this. So that the way I look at it is that Google is teaching you important tips and tricks while performing the task at the same time. Let me show you this with an example. In this particular sheet, if there was a list of names in Google Sheet with several other data columns like email and phone number or any other data, and you wanted to separate the first name from the last name, which in this case is separated by a space. As you can see, it is Arsenio space Watkins, Mackenzie space Bennett. So one of the features would have been using the formula. So in this particular scenario, I am just simply copying and pasting the formula from my clipboard because here I want to focus on the autofill feature and not this formula. Still, I will very quickly tell you what this formula does. In this formula, I'm using the left function to find in the cell A2, and in that also I'm using the find function to find the space within the quotes and in the cell A2 again, and whatever number of characters comes for that particular space -1. So those number of characters is what I want to display in the first name. So this works out well and I can always copy and paste it down. This is one of the features. The other way, the one which I want to focus on, autofill, let me show you that. What you need to do here is you need to start typing the first 3 cells to be filled manually. So here I will write Arsenio, the second one Mackenzie, and the third one Nessa. So as soon as I type N, you will see that Google Sheets automatically showed me the smart fill, the formula suggestions, and here it says we think we can fill these cells using a formula. And also if I click on the show formula, it will show me which formula it is using. It is using VLOOKUP A2. In that it is then further connecting it with email $B1 to so and so, because this particular item is available in my next sheet. So this is so smart that it is not only trying to see something from this particular sheet but also it knows that this data is available in my next sheet because I've actually already used autofill in that sheet. So all I need to do is click on this tick mark or the right arrow and it says accept suggestions. As soon as I do it, the entire thing is done. So here it says cells filled with the formula, share your feedback with us to improve the future suggestions. This is just because it's a new feature they have rolled out, so whenever they perform one, they leave it on the screen for a few seconds so that you can give them any suggestions if it be required. Similarly, let me do it with the last name. I will write Watkins, I will write Bennett, I will write short. As soon as I type S, it gives me the same thing again. It's using the similar formula VLOOKUP, and all I need to do is accept the changes and I'm good to go. So friends, you just saw the life became so easy, and as I mentioned earlier, it went a step further. Let me show you how. Here if I go on any of the output which it has autofilled, here it is showing me the entire formula is equal to VLOOKUP A2 email so and so 2 false. So in case if I am curious to learn how this was done, or if I want to learn the formula on how to use it, it is showing me the entire formula. So it is performing the task and teaching me what formula was used. So let me show you a similar thing with a different example. So I will go on the next sheet with the email addresses. Here I've already autofilled the first name and the last name, and here you will see it is using a different formula, which is the left formula. Well, anyways, my work was done, and what I want to do here is basically I'm assuming that all these people are working for the similar organization, but this time I wanted to create their email IDs based on the company's email ID pattern, which is first name dot last name @ the company name. We can easily do the same either manually using the concatenate formula or simply by using the autofill feature. So let's see how to do this. As I mentioned, the company's format is first name dot last name @ companyname.com. Here I'm using @solve.co.in, assuming that all these people may be working for me someday. If not these people or these names, at least these many people are working for me someday. So let me start with this. Arsenio dot Watkins @solved.co.in, Mackenzie .bennett @solved.co.in, and as soon as I type N, it gives me the same thing, fills the entire range, and all I need to do is go and click the right arrow and I'm good to go. This again, the pop-up cell fills with formula will disappear in a couple of seconds. So isn't that just wonderful? It is so easy. Do try this and let me know in the comments below if it worked out for you or not. Also, if you have any questions about Excel or Google Sheets or any other tech related query, feel free to leave a comment or email me at the address mentioned on the screen. I will also leave my email address in the description box below. I will try to see if there is already an existing video for that. I will let you know. If not, I'll try to make a video for that. I've made several videos on Excel tutorials ranging from beginner level to intermediate to advanced level. I will leave the link in the eye above and in the description box below so that you can take benefit of those. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and click the red subscribe button below and also the bell icon so that you can get notification for all new videos. And friends, if you want to be added to my Google group, leave me your email address in the comments below or send me an email on the email ID which is being displayed on your screen right now, or I will leave the email address in the description box below and I will add you to my Google group so that whenever a new video is posted or something beneficial that comes to my knowledge, I usually share it with my group and you can take benefit from that as well. Well friends, thanks a lot for watching this video till now. Take care. Bye bye.